Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to my channel. My name is Zvangu. Here, I do help you with explaining Shona Proverbs. So, today we are going to look at this Shona Proverb, Zizi Kugara Muhuku, Azvirevi Rava Hukuo. Well, what this proverb simply means, it's like if we look at the literal translation, say if you were to put an owl among chickens, you'd obviously see that is an owl, and it will stand out, and you can tell that the two of them can't mix. It's like an owl, it has its own characteristics. It has its own way of feeding. Usually it preys on chickens. So it just goes to show that the two of them can be together. They can mix, but they are two separate. They are individual, like separate, that lead completely different lives. So I would give an example of, say, if you were to go and live maybe in America or in the United Kingdom, say if you find a job there and you go there and settle there, obviously you'd need to learn the language there. You'd need to, practice their way of living, like learning their culture, their way of talking and dressing. Like for example, there it's extremely cold during winter season, so you have to adapt and learn how to dress accordingly so that you can lead a normal life there and mix and talk to people and have a good social life. But still, even if you do all those things, it doesn't mean you stop being you. You stop being a Zimbabwean. You are still you. So, for example, but however, some people do like get carried away, and when they go there, or maybe they settle there for a long time and they have children, they forget to teach their children their mother tongue, forgetting that one day they would want to come back home, and those children will also find it hard to reintegrate into their motherland where their fathers came from. So it's just the proverbs are there. They are full of teachings, and they are wise sayings. So basically, it's just a good advice that wherever we go to settle, let's say if we are taken out from our usual environment and go and live elsewhere, in a foreign country, or with the people we don't normally live with, it doesn't mean we stop to exist, or we are entirely new human beings. We are still you are still you went the way, you are still in the way. That's what in Shona, you went the way, you never change. And the best way is to remember that, to have that at the back of your mind. Whatever you do there, you will remain grounded. In other words, it means ziva zvauri. You remain you authentic, you don't change. You may adapt, but adapting and changing are completely different things. So I'm going to give you a short story that explains the meaning of this proverb. Zizi Kugara Muhuku, Azvireva Huku, and it will be in English. Hopefully, you find the story good enough to leave you, with a clear picture of what the proverb means. Don't hesitate to drop some questions and leave some comments. So now I leave you to listen to the story.
Meet Jack. a man on a journey to a foreign land in pursuit of new green pastures and opportunities. Little did he know, this journey would lead to unforeseen challenges that would test his understanding of identity and belonging. Jack embraced the culture and lifestyle of his new home. However, in the midst of a busy life and trying to get settled, he inadvertently left a crucial part of his heritage behind. Years passed, and Jack's family flourished in their new environment. However, a sense of disconnection began to brew beneath the surface. As Jack and his children grapple with their sense of identity, they encounter various obstacles in their attempt to reintegrate into their homeland. Through trials and tribulations, Jack and his children embark on a journey of rediscovery, rekindling their connection to their mother tongue and heritage. In the end, Jack and his family learned that true integration isn't just about fitting in. It's about preserving the essence of who you are, no matter where life takes you. For Jack and his children, the journey of self-discovery continues as they navigate the complexities of identity in a world that's constantly changing.